Hello everybody, welcome to our shamanic drum journey. Go ahead and find a place where you can be relaxed, grounded on the earth, with some support underneath your body and uninterrupted, turning off your phone or any kind of devices that might interrupt you. And we're going to go ahead and get started.
Power off.
So we'll go ahead and just find ourselves completely relaxed. Let yourself ground into the earth, finding a connection to Mama Earth, Mother Gaia. And just take this opportunity to breathe deep, long, full breaths. Let yourself melt. Feel yourself supported, so make sure you have something underneath your back or underneath your knees or bending your knees if that feels good. We'll just take a journey down into the earth. Take a moment to call upon your spirit animals, your power animals, your teachers, your guides, your ancestors, all of the elementals, the fae and all the little people, all our relations that walk this earth, fly or swim or crawl, the stone people, the record keepers, the lightning people, the cloud people, the beings, the thunder beings, grandmother moon, grandfather sun, father sky, and the great star nation, all of our galactic ancestors. And then tapping into Mother Earth, deep, deep, deep into Mother Earth. Checking in with your breath. Feel yourself relaxed. Just letting go of anything that you need to let go of, so you can be fully present with your breath. And anytime, just come back to your breath. Allow yourself just to deepen your connection to gravity, pulling you into connection with Mother Earth. You feel the earth touching you wherever your body is touching the earth. Feel that electromagnetic connection. Let yourself just relax completely. Let your body just lie here on this earth plane. And then feel your energy sinking, almost like quicksand, into the earth. Although it's safe. Unlike quicksand, you can still breathe. And just feel yourself descending down. You might get tiny, or you might find a thread, a cord, a root, a stick. Follow that down, maybe connecting now to the waters. Following some ancient waters, some waterways, maybe moving through some caves, down some stalactites and stalagmites, down into the bedrock, becoming one with the earth, down through the ocean, becoming one with the waters. Continue to descend down further and further into the earth. Letting your body just rest here on your mat. Keep gently going down into the earth. Finding a passageway. You might pop out under a giant tree. You might pop out on the shore of an ancient riverbed under the earth. You might pop out on a beach. Or you might pop out in the desert. You might pop out in a different star system that looks similar to Earth. This is the lower world. Keep just following and traveling this journey down into the earth until you find an outlet. And just seeking an outlet. As you peek through, just open that doorway. You might move some brush, some vines. You might pop out through a trickling spring. You might pop out from the back of a waterfall. The possibilities are limitless. So once you find a way to the door to the lower world, pop out and begin to look around. Stay present here. At any given time, just come back to your breath. Let go of any analytical thinking and just simply experience what there is. Staying in the now. Traveling deep, deep into the earth. Begin to look around. You might see some grass. You might see sand, dirt, or mud. You might be on rock, or different kinds of earth elements. Once you feel yourself stable, just start walking around. Just exploring this earth realm. This is the lower earth, so it looks a lot like the earth. Begin to just listen to the sounds that are around you. Begin to listen to whatever might be in this reality. Feel if it's sunny or windy or just neutral. Notice anything there is to notice. Continue to just wander at your own pace. Around, see if there's any plants or any animals. Maybe go up to them and take a closer look. Whatever comes to your heart, just explore it and say, "Are you here for me?" And ask if it has any information for you. Continue to wander around your safe place, just noticing what there is to notice without any attachment. Just keep moving about. Maybe you find some hills or some valleys to wander through. See if there's any animals that have joined you or any people. And if you have any interactions, ask. Are you here for me? Ask their name or what they'd like to be called. Ask any messages. And if they're just passing by, just let them pass by. But if they keep reappearing, ask if they're there for you. And perhaps have an interaction. Just letting go of any expectations. Notice whatever there is to notice. Just keep traveling on your journey. Seeing if there's trees, flowers, any grasses, bushes, any birds, any insects, any animals, or if any of your ancestors or guides are coming up and you're noticing them in the peripheral, ask if they are there for you. And if so, just have an interaction. Allow your heart to meet with their heart and ask if they have any messages for you. Ask if they'll tell you their name or what they want to be called. Let it be playful. Just keep yourself moving about, wandering around. If you notice any animals following you or flying beside you, again, just ask, are you here for me? And ask, what messages do you have for me? Ask if they're your totem. Maybe they're your animal totem or your power animal. Continue wandering about, taking notice of anything you might see or smell, hear or taste or touch. Noticing if it's morning or noon or afternoon or evening or night, dawn or dusk. Notice if you can see the sun or any other suns or any other planets or any stars. You can see the moon or any other moons in this reality. This is your own sacred and tranquil space. So just relax into it. It is your own safe space. And the only ones that are welcome here are those that you invite in. It's a safe space for you, your own power place inside the earth. If you see any animals, ask if they want to be your ally. They might give you a ride. They might walk beside you. They might jump on your back. They might jump on your shoulder and ask if they can come play. Just staying present with your breath. Always come back to the breath. Just wander around a little bit more. Just looking around, noticing if there's any other animals, plants, flowers, trees that might be in this reality, making itself known to you. And just keep wandering around and notice if they want to have an interaction with you. Just let yourself be relaxed, inviting them to come chat. And surprisingly, they can just speak to you telepathically. Maybe there's some butterflies or a hummingbird or a dragonfly. yourself be open to whomever wants to come play. You might see some magical creatures, or some creatures you've never even known existed. And again, ask if they're there for you. And see if they have a message. Now just begin to wander back to the place you popped out. Just wandering back to your little entrance place to this lower world. As you make your way back, go through the portal. Find your way coming back up, crawling through, or popping through, or swimming through. And then begin to make your way back up to your body, joining your energy with your physical body lying on your mat. Your body was here the whole time, safe and relaxed and nurtured. Coming back to your body. Back to your body. Come back, come back, come back. Slowly wiggle your fingertips and your toes and feel yourself aligning back with your body. Maybe slowly open your eyes and look at this beautiful overcast day, welcoming the warmth of grandfather sun and stretching. Oh, coming back, slowly rolling over onto your side. Take a moment in fetal position to rest, integrate for just a moment, and then we're going to grab our journals without talking, and we're going to journal about our experience, and then we'll integrate after we journal. So take the next few moments to write in your journal. Thank you. This beautiful, beautiful experience of this shamanic drum journey is always such an honor. So take your time to journal and then integrate, and then you can always message us with your integrations.